Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get bank statement in HSBC Bank. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your web browser and go to official website of HSBC Bank and then log into your account. Once you've logged on, you'll be taken to your accounts. From here, select Statements from the quick links. On the Your Statements page, click the arrow to show a drop-down list of your accounts and choose the account you want to see statements for. Then in the second box, choose the type of statement you want. In this case, we want a regular statement, so select that. Next, you'll see a list of all the years that you have statements available for. Select the year you want, which will then expand to show all the statements available. Note that statements are only produced if transactions have been made in that month or the account has a negative balance. Click on the statement you want, and it will automatically download as a PDF. And that's it. You can now print or save the statement to your computer. So that's basically how you can get bank statement in HSBC Bank. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.